How to find KFC near you using the KFC Store Locator. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you a step-by-step guide that we can follow up using the official store locator near you from KFC. So let's get started. For that, we can start by opening up a browser, or you can even download the KFC application and look out for an option called Find a KFC Near You and hit enter. And when we do, it will directly show us different locations near us. We can just go over and view it and go ahead and see it. Otherwise, we have this option for kfc.com.nb or according to your own reason. So you can just go over and open up that site. And once you have to open up the site, you can use this locator right here in order to look out for it. So you can find the locator here. Once you've found it up, you can click on the map itself, find the specific location, and go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, it will show us the location accordingly and all of the information that we are looking for. So here, now we can just go and click on the location, and there we can open it up, or we can even look out for something like this and go ahead and search for it. Let's go ahead and search for it. And hit enter and click on this option called search. Once we hit on search, here we can find the specific location here. We can click on it and there it will show us the specific KFC store that we are looking for. We can look out for the open directions and even call the store itself and the check opening hours and all the services that they are providing and go ahead and use it. We can also use the Google search directly and search for KFC quickly on the maps itself, and that should show us. And that's it, everybody. This is how we do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.